So how's it going, guys? Hope you guys are doing very well. Hope everybody's doing pretty good. I pretty much just want to talk about some trend lines, pretty much, I guess you would say. I guess you say a consolidating channel trend lines. And this I don't want to say that I was actually biased for us, it was going to the downside, but I most definitely want to document these patterns that I saw. And that particular security was actually Amazon. So with that being said, I'm gonna go to like a 1 hour chart real quick, and this is going to be very quick and very brief too. So I want to see if you guys saw the same thing on Amazon. Did you chart it the exact same way? So pretty much, we see Amazon. Amazon pretty much started a channel on the date of this is going to be around May the 2nd, and it pretty much that was the low of the channel, and it started from May the 2nd. And as you can see, I guess I'll do a path so you guys can see what I saw. We pretty much went here, and here. I'm not even sure if it's, well, it bounced here, went here, came here. Let's try to get this going again. And another path. Came here, there, came there. So pretty much you guys get the idea. So pretty much this channel traded up to the upside. But once it got to around the levels of, what is this, 131, 130.41, 131.41, it pretty much like gave out of gas. And as you can see, it touched this area here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3. Well, you can probably count these two. Say 1, 2, 3, and it created the head and shoulders pattern. Pretty much it fell from here. And once it fell from here, well, it actually came down. It broke trend right here, but we know we had a support zone in this area right here. Oh, 1 second, I clicked the wrong one. I'll try to click the magnify glass. All right, let me see. Ooh. Okay, so pretty much you can see in this area here, it still touched. The lowest it touched is probably around the 127 flat area. But pretty much that was the support area between 127.50 and 127 flat. So pretty much that was like a 50-cent difference for us in the support area here. But pretty much today, the lowest it went was in this area when it actually broke the trend itself in general. So with that being said, once it broke here, I feel as if that was like a sign of weakness. That the trend line itself was actually breaking down, and the trend line was pretty much created on the 1 hour time frame. Once we got here, as I showed you earlier, we start to kind of consolidate between 131.41 and 127 flat. Broke the 1 hour trend line, but it still kind of continued to try to break through the resistance levels of 131, and it just bounced in from there. I was not pretty much up on game about the news today. I did not do any trading, but I did chart Amazon. And as you can see what happened, it most definitely fell to the downside. It pretty much fell all day long. And we caught support. Let me see what level we caught support at. Let's put this on let's go to a 5-minute. Find support when we caught support at. We found support at this level right here. I'm gonna do a horizontal ray on this right here. Found support here. Boom. And we'll clone this. Found support at levels. What's this? 125.94 and 126.19. So practically we found support in the area there. It pretty much came down, and it pretty much started to trend back up. But pretty much it fell all day. I was most definitely looking for a move to the downside with Amazon, but I've been kind of very patient on entries on long or short in the very beginning of the open of the market. But this, for some reason, it practically just fell. I did have some areas that I already had. I had some areas I had already had charted out. I didn't even go back and see what was those levels. The levels I created was pretty much accurate. And let me see on the 1 minute time frame, see how accurate it was. The first level it hit was actually this level right here, this green area. We do have a wick right here. So that was pretty cool. Came up, came back down. It pretty much resisted off this level here. Came back down. Caught this. Boom, boom, boom. So pretty much it actually fell down to the downside. So another thing that I have been incorporating was the nine EMA. I'm trying to learn that particular strategy. And for what I've seen so far, and that's one reason why I didn't trade, because I knew there was a lot of news going on, but I didn't pretty much keep my ear to the street. And I know I wanted to start to try to incorporate the non EMA trading strategy with my charting and my analysis in general. Because I had most definitely have been losing recently, so I've been kind of sitting back, chilling, haven't been taking the trades, but just pretty much trying to find a more accurate approach for us, my entries and exits. So pretty much that's it. And as we can see, I'm not sure exactly what Amazon is going to do for us overall, but I think I did have a nice supporting level I had charted out, and what I had was this right here. It's gonna be in this area. No, this is not it. I think I got Amazon going all the way down to this area right here, 126.19. So practically, that is like a major support level, I would say, for us, me actually taking a call option to the upside with Amazon. We're currently right now traded at 127.13, 127.32 at the in the aftermarket hours. So, but overall, that's practically it, man. It most definitely did fall to the downside, a nice downside. It fell at, I think today, well, I think this week we have it may be what is PPI or CPI pretty much going. I'm not really sure, but that was my trade. Pretty much, you guys, man. Let me know what you guys pretty much saw on Amazon today or around this time period, because I do understand this may not get out to you guys um, in the appropriate time, because I know you guys probably checking other ideas and other trades. But I most definitely thought if we had caught this area, we was going to go up to the upside. I thought we was going to go up to the upside one more time, but as you can see, it actually broke through all three of these levels. And then again, too, before I leave, for those who don't know how I trade, I practically have the dash line is like the weakest level support. The dotted line is the medium level support, and the line itself in general was like a representation as a gate is like a definite entry for ongoing calls. And I do the same thing for us when it comes to resistance. Um, the solid line is most definitely the strongest line for resistance. Then it comes to the dotted line, then the dash line. And practically, man, that's it. See you guys on the next one, man. Most definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's going to be Hello US Trading. I think it's BYC, I think it is. But just check it out. I'm quite sure the link on the Trading View profile will most definitely take you there. Most definitely say your trades, things that I'm doing wrong, and things you pretty much see that I have shared with you that have been like a blessing. Take care. See you guys on the next one.